Imagine a world where you as a developer, you can concentrate on GitHub, and Gitvern will take care of everything. So you have your tasks. You usually have this kind of layout on your projects, but you can have this kind of layout as well. So the liquidity providers have a say in your DAO. In this panel, we can create a label here, and we can define on Gitvern as many labels as we want, and those labels, what they will do for Snapshot. So they will create a proposal and so on, with certain voting characteristics and so on. So for instance, in this task, I select this label, which I defined in Gitvern to create a proposal on Snapshot. So there it is. It's assigned in this task. And if we go to Snapshot, we didn't have any proposals here. If we refresh, there is a proposal automatically created. It's pending because it was created just now. And we can check on GitHub the proposal and so on. And when it's ready, I have it configured for a 1 minute wait time. When it's ready, we can vote. That's it. And after done with voting, the result will be shown in the approvals column. And this column is sorted, so you know what you have to do next. I've given a weight to this task. It's 5. So this task will generate a payout in relation to this weight. I can see on my wallet that I don't have any DAO tokens. So my liquidity providers or token holders say that this is very important, so I will start working on this. I will assign to myself, but I could assign to other people. So it's assigned. And if I check my demo task, okay, I have a reward assigned to my account, and I can check the transaction. Okay, logs, rewards assigned for a contributor, myself, and this is my expected payout. Okay, I worked on that issue and so on, and then I finalized my work, sent a PR, whatever, and me as a manager, I accept that PR and I will close this issue. So it's done, the work is done, everything is okay, close issue. And as you can see, Gitvern automatically released the payout to my account. We can check the transaction. It's pending. There it is. Logs. See, transfer, rewards released, and the amount. And if I go check my wallet, there it is. All from this panel on GitHub. This is real. This is Gitvern. Thank you.